We will be staying here for tonight. Just a regular room for how much the tart?
1-2.
1-2. How much in dollar?
Uh,
Check the bathroom.
like $22. $21.
Open the bathroom. Not bad for $22. We have free breakfast by the pool. Good morning! I'm now using my new phone just for vlogging, and we are heading. It would be a different activity this morning. Hi, sweetheart. It would be a different activity this morning because we are going to watch how they're going to harvest shrimps and milkfish. As you can see, sweetheart is carrying a styrofoam because we will be asking for some shrimps from the harvesters. See you later. By the way, I'm using my new phone. I really bought this phone just to do vlogging because it has a dual camera. I bought this the other day in the mall. I don't know where to step here. Okay. Got a new phone! Di kanila, oh. And we're done harvesting. Someone is already pushing our foam. Tart! Tart, where are you? Oh, there's a big goat. Look, the goat is so big. Tart! Ito yung sungay, oh.